Hey people, just sitting here again with a lock for something a little bit different. Not. This time it's a nice old Yale. Bronze, I believe. Possibly not. But it's a very nice old lock, and I've seen them a lot around. Never had one. So when someone gave this to me, I was pretty damn happy. Now you're probably curious about the key for this lock. So here it is. Have a good look. Got it? Sweet. Okay, so let's take a moment to show this key in action. As you can see and hear, despite the age of this beautiful beast, it works so smoothly. Lovely. So I've showed you the lock. I've showed you the lock working. Now I guess it's time to do a little bit of picking. Alrighty, time to have a lash at this lovely old Yale. Challenge, as ever, will be to keep the lock oriented towards the camera. I have a habit sometimes of zoning out a little bit, and all my focus is on the lock. It's already starting to happen because when you chat and pay attention to the camera, you're not paying attention to the lock. And if you want to pick a lock, I think it's the thing you need to pay attention to. So if I suddenly go quiet, you'll understand what's going on. Well, true to form for me, I'm just kind of poking around, somewhat blindly, not really paying attention to any particular thing, just poking at different pins and attempting to discern from the feedback alone on that pin whether or not it's a pin that needs to be set. Oops. I think I just dropped a pin.
I said you just said advice for the rich, and I think that's true, and that's why wealthy Christians.
Okay. So that was fairly quick. A little bit quicker than I had anticipated, but that's okay. That's just the way lockpicking works. Sometimes things go quickly, sometimes things go a little bit slowly, sometimes things go very slowly, and sometimes things don't happen at all. So, there is nothing that I can see in there that's going to allow me to open up this padlock and investigate what's inside. So I'm not going to even try. You've probably seen one of these before, and you probably know what's in it better than I do. So, on that note, peace and respect to one and all. I'm going to move on to some other things, and I guess I'll see you on another day.